Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all one of the most requested plans of ever. Diet plan to help you look 10 years younger. Recently, lots of clients of mine, they were asking that they wanted a plan which can help them with skin glowing benefits. They want a plan which can help them to reduce pigmentation, which can help them with wrinkles, at the same time which can help them to give a glowing skin benefits. So I created this plan for them and the results are as on your screen. If you want your personalized or customized diet plans for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, which is 6284306522, or go to the description box below. You'll see a link down there. Click the link and you'll reach directly to me on WhatsApp and we'll be starting your weight loss transformation journey with me. So without any delay, let's get started with diet plan to help you look 10 years younger and boost your collagen boosting properties. Starting with the early morning drink. Early morning drink is definitely a make or break when it comes to your diet plan. So I'm going to give you two options to help you with your vitamin C boost in the morning itself, to help you with the collagen production, reduces inflammation and hydrates your skin very well. The first option is super simple to create and at the same time effective in every manner. All I've done here is taken a glass of warm water, adding half a squeezed lemon to this, and of course 1 teaspoon of chia seeds. Mix it well and have it empty stomach to see a vitamin C boost and to help you produce your collagen as well. Second option is you can simply add 1 cube of my amla ginger shot. I've done here is juiced amla and ginger, adding 1 cube of this in 1 glass of warm water and having it empty stomach. This boosts your vitamin C in the body and helps with your collagen production and majorly helps reduce inflammation as well. Ginger is great for inflammation reduction and helps to heal skin from inside as well. So do try out to have these options for your early morning drink. And now we proceed towards our breakfast options. For breakfast, I'll be giving you two options. Works amazingly well for weight loss and of course is super rich in healthy fats that improve skin elasticity. So the first option is you can simply have besan chila with paneer and mint chutney. All I've done here is in besan chila I'll be loading lots and lots of vegetables. You can add bell peppers, capsicum, onion, tomato as per your own choice and load your besan chila with lots and lots of vegetables. Have 2 of these in the morning for your breakfast and along with that have mint chutney. Also you can add some grated paneer over it if you like it, so or skip as per your own choice. Second option is if you cannot have this, then you can always include having Greek yogurt. All I've done here is in a pan I'm simply taking some amount of honey, taking banana to caramelize it well. Along with this I'll be adding of course pinch of cinnamon powder, let it caramelize properly, and then I'm taking almost 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, putting all of this in the Greek yogurt, and trust me, this is one of the best desserts that I can have in the morning itself. Great for protein rich component and at the same time helps with your zinc production, which reduces acne, healthy fats to improve your skin elasticity. So make sure to have Greek yogurt in any form as soon as possible. And now we proceed towards our mid-morning snack option, which comes between our breakfast and lunch time. For skin elasticity and to improve the collagen production, the best option for you would be to hydrate your skin. All I've done here is I'm taking coconut water. Simply take locally soaked coconut water. It helps with weight loss, also helps to replenish your skin from inside, and also great for electrolytes as well. So try to have at least thrice or 4 times a week 1 locally sourced fresh coconut water. Second option, if you cannot have this, then you can always have simple and very easy to consume 1 vitamin C boost fruit, 1 orange, 1 guava or 1 kiwi. Choose any fruit of your own choice out of these 3 and see the magic yourself. I love to give my clients apple, beetroot, carrot juice as well if you cannot have these fruits. Vitamin C boost is very important to add vitamin C in your diet, helps with skin elasticity. So all I've done here is I'm simply juicing apple, beetroot and carrot, mixing it all well and having it for your mid-morning snack. Works amazingly well to improve your complexion and also gives a brightening effect to the skin. So do try to have at least thrice a week these options for your mid-morning snack. And now we proceed towards our lunch options. Protein-rich lunch always helps to preserve your collagen. Also, antioxidants fight the aging and also fiber supports your hormonal imbalance. So I'll be giving you 2 options that you can always have for your lunch and works amazingly well for protein-rich diet. The first option is you can always have oats beetroot roti along with paneer ki sabzi and of course raita and curd and salad. Now this whole combination gives you good skin benefit with your beetroot, oats fiber rich and protein rich, low in glycemic index and great for weight loss. Paneer of course great source of paneer, and of course yogurt or dahi or raita for probiotics. So whole this plate always has a balanced nutrition in your diet. So make sure to have this at least thrice or 4 times a week. Second option would be to have simple and easy to prepare. You can even have rajma rice or black chana rice or white chana rice along with that raita, curd or yogurt plus salad. Now this wholesome plate also contains good amount of probiotics, good amount of fiber intake, protein intake, and also good amount of low glycemic index food. And of course, rice is any big gluten-free nature, so you can have almost 100 grams of cooked brown rice or normal rice, but make sure it's always less rice and more sabzi or curry or dahi or raita. And now we proceed towards our simple and effective mid-evening snack options. I would always prefer my clients to have at least twice a day herbal teas. One you have for your early morning drink and one for your bedtime drink. But yes, one more complimentary drink for your evening snack, which is green tea, helps with your antioxidant levels, great for weight loss, great for belly fat loss, and also helps majorly with vitamin E that nourishes your skin. So always make sure to have at least 1 or 2 cups of green tea throughout the day. Along with that, you can have 20 grams of roasted makhana or 20 grams of roasted chana. Along with that, always make sure to snack it up with 5 soaked almonds and 2 walnuts to help you with your brain development and also to help you with your polyphenols that protect your collagen. And these were the options for your mid-evening snack. And now we proceed towards our dinner option. For dinner, I'll be giving you 2 options out there preferred by most of my clients to see the benefits of their skin. And yes, entire world has these options, and especially Koreans or people in Korea love to have this dinner option because it helps not only for their skin, also helps with your weight loss as well. So I am talking about soup. People love having soup for dinner because first, it's fulfilling. Second, it's always great to have soup in the dinner. It helps to warm your body from inside and majorly helps you with overnight skin repair. Light dinner always supports your overnight skin repair. So always make sure to have soup during your dinner. I'll be giving you 2 options out there for soup. The first option is loved by all of my clients. Simple, yummy, tasty, and great for weight loss. Tomato zucchini soup. I'm also adding carrot to this. You can avoid or as per your own choice. What I've done here is taken tomato, carrot, and zucchini, stems or leaves of coriander leaves, and simply pressure cooking it for 4 to 5 minutes. And your tasty and healthy soup is ready. Have it with fiber and see the magic yourself. Along with that, you can also pair it up with stir-fry vegetables or skip and simply have 100 grams of roasted paneer or soya as well for protein intake. Helps with satiating your hunger pangs also and great for fiber intake also. Second soup option is lemon coriander soup. I'm including lots and lots of vegetables, which you can skip also, but simply prepare it this manner to see the magic of weight loss. Lemon always helps your body to not just detoxify, but your skin to also detoxify. So do try to have these options for your dinner. And now we proceed towards our simple weight loss option for dinner. Haldi milk with apple works amazingly well to produce anti-inflammatory properties in the body and also immunity boosting properties. Haldi milk or golden milk is great for weight loss and supports your gut health as well. So do try out to have this along with 1 apple and see the magic of weight loss happening yourself and skin benefits as well. Now let's proceed towards our bedtime drink, which is make or break of this diet. I'll be giving you 2 options out there. The first option is loved by all of my clients and has been seeing amazing results of skin benefits as well. Chamomile tea. It helps to reduce any kind of high cortisol in the body and also helps to reduce any kind of stress levels as well, which is the major cause when it comes to your skin pigmentation. So do try to have at least once a day 1 cup of freshly brewed chamomile tea. Second option is if you can have this, you can simply have ajwain jeera water. Now this works amazingly well for postpartum weight loss. Any kind of puffiness, swelling, or any kind of water retention present in the skin or in the face as well helps reduce that also and works amazingly well for your belly fat loss also. So do try to have these options for your bedtime drink. Along with this diet plan, always make sure to consume at least 2 to 3 liters of normal room temperature water without any fail to help you with your hydration and also to help you with your weight loss as well, to remove all the bad toxins from your body very quickly. If you want your personalized or customized diet plans for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmoreloosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, which is 6284306522, or go to the description box below. You'll see a link down there. Click the link and you will reach directly to me on WhatsApp. We are starting our 30-day glass skin diet program to see amazing transformations in your skin benefits, amazing results for your collagen boosting properties and pigmentation results as well. And yes, these diets will definitely help you with your weight loss also, but yes, majorly help you with your skin benefits. So you can always comment down below or directly click on WhatsApp link as well to reach out to me regarding this program, and we'll be starting your transformation journey with me. If you like my video, please hit the like button, comment below if you have any quick and any diet plans or meal recipes, and I'll be more than happy to help you in your weight loss journey or your skin transformation journey as well. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More and hit the bell icon to be notified for all the upcoming transformations. And I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.